Always operate at safe speeds, taking into consideration the conditions around you. This includes other boats, weather, and visibility. Remember, a PWC is not a toy. It is your job to operate it responsibly. While it might be tempting to test the limits, avoid aggressive maneuvers and keep your speed under control. Keep a safe distance away from people, objects, and other boats, including other PWCs. Don't weave through boats that are underway, stopped, or anchored. Do not follow directly behind other PWCs or boats. Do not ride at night. Your PWC does not come with navigation lights. Not only is it unsafe, but most states do not allow PWC operation at night. Do not go near others to spray or splash them with water or make sharp turns, as it can confuse other boaters or cause injury to yourself, your passengers, or others. Never cut in front of another PWC or boat.